In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join and how to find unlimited Telegram group in one section. So you can doing this work less than 1 minute. So if you're fast, my channel, please consider like and subscribing. So first, I open Telegram on my PC. Now I need to just click on this search bar. Then here I type just SEARCHEEBOT bot. Just click on enter. So you can see this is charge ebot. Charge ebot. You need to just click on start. That's it. Now here is a lots of categories. So you need to just select language. So I select English. Now here is a lots of groups. So which type of group, category you want? So example purpose I choose this one, travel. So you can find out lots of groups. So you can join on, open this one. So you can see this one. So this is the method how you can find unlimited Telegram group in one section. Thanks for watching. See you again.